Hey guys, about horsepower here today. I'm sitting in my new truck, and for some of you this might be an easy guess, but if you can guess it, just guess down in the comments what you think it is just from looking at the shot. And I got it for next to nothing, and this is just an amazing truck, and I know you guys on YouTube will love it because more videos, faster, because I have my very own truck now that works, or that'll work, and yeah, so I'll show you it right now. So what we got here is a 1985 F-250 Lariat 6.9 International Harvester Diesel 4-speed, and dome ears. But yeah, I'll show you the truck. It's got the little extended cab. So here's the truck. What's wrong with it is we drove it all the way here, but so power steering pump leaked. I took that out, and then what they don't have on gas engines and not a lot of people know about is the vacuum pump, which is down in here, runs off the motor. Then you could see the vacuum line just hanging here, but that runs all the way back around to the brake booster, and if the vacuum pump's acting up, brake booster's like gone on the diesel. So I'm just gonna replace brake booster, master cylinder, vacuum pump, power steering pump, hoses for the power steering pump, and then it should drive. And then I took the air cleaner off of the throttle body. I'm just gonna like paint it and probably the brake booster and stuff. Leave a comment of what you think I should paint it, but that's that. Let me show you the truck. Oh yeah, also straight piped with a glass pack, and that's it for exhaust. It has duals instead of a single, because having back pressure on a diesel is not that good. I'm gonna get rid of that. It's like a jerry-rigged trailer brake. But yeah, there's my new truck. And it used to have this like bar grill. I'm gonna put this stock grill in it because I think that looks better. And here's the power brake booster, which is leaking out, right? Air cleaner stuff, bracket for the power steering pump. Here's the vacuum pump. Yeah, it runs off the motor. And right now, I'm gonna clean this. So, I'll shine it up and then do a walk around video. So, thanks for watching. So this is my friend's 60
Falcon.
60?
Just 60, yeah.
60 Falcon. First year of the Falcon. Inline 6, it's a, what's in it?
144.
144. Inline 6. 3 on the tree. He's fixing it up, bring it down. Car shows. It's pretty cool. Very cool. And I also have a, what year is this?
It's a 61 Willys pickup.
61? Yeah.
And then a 2001 Mustang. I'm gonna sell that.
Yeah,
Piece of
he bought some like $100 Mustang.
125 bucks. Down the road.
The wheels are worth more. What year?
I don't actually. It's somewhere in the 70s. We got a book on it yesterday. I'm gonna do some
So,
research.
Mini Moke.
Yeah.
They didn't make that many of them.
Well, they were originally going to use it for the military, but then all production went to Australia, so it was more of a recreation vehicle.
Yeah. That's really cool. It's right-hand drive. Then this doesn't drive because the motor's like seized, I think.
Yeah, it's stuck here. Wire harness is all jacked up.
That has a 302 in it. Yeah, these are very cool cars.